All right, it's time for us to build some campaigns into the Marklo calendar. The easiest way to do it is to start with Ask Marklo. I'm looking at the month of August. I'm going to ask it, please suggest 2 campaigns for August featuring my best-selling product. And let's give it some time to build its answer. And Marklo is coming up with a couple campaign ideas for me that it's suggesting that will be added to my calendar. And if I scroll back up, it tells me how it got here. It analyzed a bunch of our best-selling products and what campaigns have been performing well. And it's recommending one for the second week of August called the Earring Edit. And then it's recommending another one about summer necklaces. Both of these look awesome. So I'm going to actually say yes, view and edit this one, which is the summer earrings campaign. And this is where it opens up a canvas where I can make further edits to the various assets in here. And because I'm looking at email specifically, you can open this up and work on the email brief in here. Got copy suggestions, and the email preview on the right looks great. I can edit further here. And you can also tag a coworker in this. Please update brief. And everyone is working off the same canvas. And if you go back to your calendar, you'll see that this is now a campaign that's in the calendar. And same for this one, you can edit it directly and add it to your calendar. And that's how you can use Ask Marklo to quickly generate campaign ideas and make them into reality in just a couple of minutes. Have fun!